In this video I'm going to show you how you can make a professional looking Zoom background for your Zoom, or maybe you can use on Teams or Google Meet. So first of all, we just go to our Canva and then just create a new design layout. So I'm just going to click on custom and I will give the size to 1920 and 1080. This it will be the pixel size. Then click on create new design. Inside here we'll going to use our background image. For this you can do two things. One, you can just search it up Google, and you can also search inside Canva. In my case I'm going to show you using the Canva, because if you have the Canva subscription, those images are free and you do not get any kind of copyright. So just go here inside the elements, then go here and search for office background. So once you search for office background, if you go in the photo section, you can see there are a lot of background for office decoration. So maybe we can use one, for example, for this tutorial. So I'm just going to use this one. Now I'm just going to make it large like this. Okay, so I make it full screen of this size. Now I'm going to insert the logo. So I'm just going to insert this logo. Now as you can see, our logo have some background and we want to remove it. So I'm just going to click here and the background remover, and it will remove the background. Now as you can see, the problem is that this background is dark and our logo is also dark. So what we can do, we can make a background below it and it will also look nice. So I'm just going to click on right here, going to elements and going to shapes. So this, as you can see, this is the shape. I'm going to insert it, change the color to white, then move it underneath this. I'm going to change the background position. So I put it in the background like this, make it like this, and then I can just extend it like this one. I can maybe move it a little more, so I can put it like this. So now as you can see, our background is done. So this is a quick example how you can make a professional background, and once you are done with this, you can just going to share and then click on download. And as you can see, you have to choose PNG or JPG, no matter what, but I recommend to use PNG because it will give you more depth in your image and more colors. So I'm just going to choose PNG and click on download. So this is our final background with the logo. So as you can see, we have the perfect background. You can use it on your Google Meet or maybe Microsoft Teams or Zoom. You just have to go to your virtual background and set this image as your background. So thank you for watching. I hope you learn how you can make it. So if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section, and I will see you guys on next video.